Hi, my name is Avas Gupta. I'm from class 9, and this is the project I've made in the workshop with the help of Miss Nisha ma'am and Mr. Manas sir. And it's the replica of my house, of my own house, and it's been a wonderful experience with both the guys. They really helped me a lot, and actually, I really like this workshop, and I've learned many important things.
My name is Vansh. I am in class 6A. I joined this. I joined this workshop and I made this model of my college friend, and I really enjoy this. I really enjoy this workshop, and with the help of Nisha ma'am and Manas sir, I made this, and I learned so many things about food, and it is a good experience.
My name is Naman. My class is 4th A and I have made this by my own and taken help from Nisha ma'am and Manas sir. I have enjoyed this experience with Amor. I am in class 6A. I have made my house. I have joined this workshop some days ago. I have made this by help of Nisha ma'am, and my name is Govind. I am from class 6A from St. Joseph's College, Nainital. I make this tree house in workshop with the help of Manas sir and Usha ma'am.